Hi, Cruise Addicts. I want to welcome you aboard the Norwegian Spirit, Balcony Cabin 11650. This recently renovated cabin is loaded with nice amenities and features. Let's take a look. Bedside USB chargers and reading lamps. A nice sized TV. A nice desk and plenty of power outlets and USB charging ports. Plenty of storage and closet space for our week-long cruise. A nice, comfortable bathroom. We love the incredible views and fresh air from our balcony. Overall, we loved our time aboard the Norwegian Spirit, and we think you will too. Especially with views like this.